Meaning of he's.
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 He's. He's is a contraction of the two words he and is. It is commonly used in English to indicate that someone or something belongs to a male subject or to refer to a male individual. The use of apostrophes in contractions serves to indicate the omitted letters in the original phrase. In this case, the contraction he's replaces he is. This shorthand form is widely accepted in spoken and written English, but it should be avoided in formal writing where contractions are generally discouraged.